Well, last night was pretty exhausting, so we had some food and pretty much called it a night. Now we're on to hopefully the best day so far with Xavage. Xavage is just going to be Selena, Caston, and I, and then Lauren, Jay, and Nan are all going to go to Xel-há, which we did yesterday. So we'll see how it goes.
Where are we heading to now?
Xavage.
Today it is just Hayden, me, and Caston. Alright, let's go.
We have made it to the park. You can get a glimpse of the ropes course over there. There may or may not be zero footage, as they said you can't use the camera. Ooh, looking good. But we'll see. Selena, how's that ropes course look to you?
Scary. Like death.
What are your thoughts on it, Caston?
It looks kind of small.
Okay, two very different points of view. How did you like the boat?
It was so far my favorite thing we've done in Mexico. And you couldn't record it either. But I got dripping wet, Caston, dripping wet.
How are your shoes doing?
Muy picante.
There.
There. Gosh, these are terrible. Don't worry, just a lot more. Wave. Tell us about your little adventure you had on the Puma.
I got stuck in the mud. My favorite place to be.
I think an accurate statement for that activity was, I liked it and no one else did.
I was ready to get off.
Accurate?
Yeah.
Accurate? Very accurate. So Selena actually had a favorite part of that ride.
My favorite part was when it ended.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, team, I need a team name.
Yeah.
Please, create a team name.
Bitcoin.
Who are we?
Team Bitcoin.
Okay, you ready? Forward.
Who are we?
Bitcoin!
Bitcoin!
Everybody smile the picture. Back. Everybody smile the picture. 1, 2, 3, picture. Who are we?
Bitcoin!
The next drop, the name is the Big Mama.
Big Mama!
Okay? Forward. Stop. Who are we? Bitcoin. Back. Stop. Get down, get down. Woo! Woo! Get down, get down, get down.
Here we go.
Woo! Who are we?
Bitcoin!
Woo! Woo! Who are we?
Bitcoin!
Forward. Forward, forward, forward. Stop. Forward. Forward, forward. Stop. Back, back, back. Stop. Back, back. Woo!
Bitcoin!
Can jump. Okay.
Right now?
Yeah.
All right, Team Bitcoin, how was it?
Yeah. Like a bull run, baby.
I was terrified, but it was actually my favorite one so far. I love jumping in the water. That was the best.
Caston's going to go down after a long day of doing stuff. And I am heading up to the black. These things are blowing so much in the wind. And some are looped on top of each other. Your feet get stuck in them. And you get a crazy swing when your feet get stuck. Woo! This is sweet. So there you can see the man-made river for the whitewater rafting. The zipline course. And all the rest of the park, including the highway, the ocean. This is so cool. Look at that plane taking off. But I believe that drop is Big Mama, yeah, because little one, baby, whatever, baby something was one of the other ones. Oh my gosh. You gotta be like super low for these. Oh, I gotta put this. Well, it looks like this is the strategy I developed. Call this one the Dream Catchers. Selena and Caston, how did you all like the park today?
It was very tiring.
This was my favorite part.